Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Yummy Yummy Darling, and it's where we prepare the natural, simple and the yummiest recipes. So if you're new here, welcome to our channel. Make sure you subscribe. But if you're coming back for the first, second, third and the fourth time, karibu sana, feel at home. So today, in today's episode, we are going to be preparing beef tumbukiza, or rather beef stew. So let me just take you through my ingredients. I have my potatoes, beef meat, spinach, tomatoes, paprika, turmeric, salt, onions, ginger and garlic, coriander, and guys, today we're not using it to garnish, we'll be using it to cook. So guys, meanwhile, make sure you subscribe. So my people, the first step, we are going to be slicing the potatoes and the spinach. Okay, we are going to start by boiling the meat. And guys, for those who don't take beef, you can use lamb or even chicken. You can substitute it with any meat of your choice. Make sure you add enough water. And you're going to boil it together with the spinach. and together with the potatoes. So make sure you put enough water. So people, once everything is ready, if you want to know if your things are ready, check your potatoes if it's soft. Then the next step, we are going to pour the stew, not to pour, sorry, we're going to pour out, to pour out the soup or the stew. We will use it later. After we are done with the boiling part, now we want to start frying. So we are going to add oil to your cooking pot or your pan. In this case, I'm going to use the pan, then I'll transfer everything. We're going to wait for the oil to heat, then we'll add in the onions first till they cook, then we add in the garlic. The reason being, the garlic cooks faster than the normal onion. So make sure you add the onions first before you add the garlic. So let's start by adding our onions. I will wait for them to begin cooking, then I will add in the garlic. So once it's almost ready, we are going to add in the garlic and the ginger. So now we are going to wait for them to brown together. Our onions are ready. Let's add in the tomatoes. I'm going to stir it for a while before I add in the coriander. So I'm adding in the coriander right about now. Then don't forget to add salt. I'm going to stir it before I add in the turmeric and the paprika. So let me add in the turmeric and the paprika. Stir in. And wait for it to cook until the tomatoes are soft. I always want mine to mash. I don't love seeing them popping out in my food. So people, you can be singing along as your tomato gets ready. So people, our paste, let me just call it paste, is almost ready. So meanwhile guys, what I've done, I have separated the soup. Let me just call it soup. Yeah, the water that I used to boil the potatoes, spinach plus meat, I have separated it from the meat, so that I will first add the meat, that's a mixture. The meat, the potatoes and the spinach is when I'll add on the soup. So people, our paste is ready. We want to bring in the mixture of meat, potatoes and spinach, and then we mix it to the paste. So adding the meat, your mixture. Let me just allow me to call it a mixture, because I don't know what name to call it. The mixture of potatoes, spinach and meat. So guys, you'll realize that I overcooked my potatoes, so some part of it is mashed, but I love it that way. So once you are done, you want to add in the paste. You're adding in the paste. Looks yummy, I know. So now we are going to pour in the soup. Just a little bit of it. Don't pour all of it, just enough. And you can drink the remaining. It's very sweet. So people, you can use an oven glove to hold on to your sufuria because it's very hot and you need to mix it thoroughly. Or you can use a cloth. Mix it and let it to boil. It's yummy. It looks so yummy, guys. I can't wait to have a taste of it. Our soup is so thick. We are waiting for it to boil. See you guys in a few. So it has already boiled. Don't let it to boil so much. It's now ready. We want to serve it. Hey beautiful people, are you even ready for our meal of the day? I think you're all not ready. Introducing our soup meal of the day. So I decided to serve mine with the rice. You can decide to serve it with chapatis or even ugali for the ugali lovers. And as usual, I have my pineapple juice. My love for pineapple is real. So guys, thank you for tuning in our today's episode. Hope you learned how to prepare the beef tumbukiza or the beef stew. So you can follow us on our Facebook page at Yummy Yummy with the Alentonets. You can find us on Instagram and follow us as the Alentonets. Then guys, you recommend our channel to your friends, share our video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. It was nice cooking with you, my dears. See you in the next video. Ciao.